How to report staking rewards on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The IRS ruled that staking rewards only become taxable once the taxpayer acquires the ability to transfer, sell, exchange, or otherwise dispose of the cryptocurrency. You'll need to convert your staking rewards to US dollar if they haven't been issued in US dollars. Then, in order to enter them, you want to open your return. Now select Federal from the left side navigation. On the top tab, select Wages and Income. Now scroll down to Less Common Income section and select Start or Revisit next to Miscellaneous Income 1099A, 1099C. On the next screen, Start or Revisit next to Other Reportable Income. Now answer yes to Any Other Taxable Income screen. On the next screen, enter a description and enter the total US dollar amount. Continue with the on-screen interview until complete. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.